Hey Copper Nerds, let's take a look at and do a little conservation on this off-center struck 1853 large cent. So this is a decent little large cent that it looks like I picked up a couple of years ago for 50 bucks. And I haven't had it out for a while, just taking a look at it. It's clearly struck off-center. That is plain. There's a spot in front of the coronet, and I'm not sure what it is, and I'll show you a close-up of it that I'd like to take a look at. As well as a little spot right there. So we're gonna take a look at that as soon as I come back from eating dinner, because I just heard the announcement that it's on the table, and you might have heard it in the background as well. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back from dinner. First thing I'm gonna do is just take a little fluffed up Q-tip, dip it in some pure acetone, and give it a bath. See how quickly that evaporates once it's on there? Very quickly. I don't know if that little black spot is gunk or if it is set in. It's looking like it might be set in, you know, the fly speck, spit mark stuff. That's probably what we're looking at there. Q-tip looks clean. I don't see any PVC. And honestly, I might have already done this to this coin some time ago, but I do want to pay a little more attention to that spot as well as that green spot on the rim, which I don't think is gonna come off with acetone either. But it's always the good first step. There's kind of some junk in the wreath as well that, oh, actually that is coming out a little bit. Interesting. I'm moving this around quickly, but with like no pressure, just to make it clear what I'm doing. It's probably hard to see. Like no pressure. Other than the weight of the Q-tip. Okay, okay. Where's my little spot? Right there. I'm just going to, with my fingernail, it came right off, and there's a little bit of dark color underneath of it, which probably will remain there just because it's been toned up by whatever was stuck to the surface. And this spot here in front of the coronet, I'm gonna do the same thing. Yep, I can feel it there, but I don't want to get too aggressive taking it off either. Let's see, here's a little toothpick. Yeah, you can feel it. It is adhered to the surface. It's annoying. I'm gonna get a quick look with my loop. I think that's an old spot of corrosion. It just feels like it's on the surface when it's actually set in. Very interesting. Well, we might not be able to improve that at all. Really lightly after some other crud. The last step will be a little bit of oil and brushing. since we've got this coin extremely dry with the acetone application. All right, brush, a little oil, and oil applied. I'm not gonna go too hard after it. Here comes the soft cloth. Blotting off that excess, cleaning the oil off of my fingers. And then we even that out one more time. Okay. Let's grab those before and after photos. And thanks for checking this one out with me. I'll look forward to talking to you a little more in the comments, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.